Are you ready for the great American summer road trip? Hi everybody, my name's Steve Conley. I'm the owner of Environmental Automotive, serving the Millersville, Severna Park, and Severn areas for over 25 years. I hope you're having a safe and healthy summer so far. And speaking of summer, are you ready for the great American summer road trip? Is your vehicle ready? Do you know? When's the last time you've had somebody look at it? Today is a great time to get it done before you go on your road trip. And the fact is, we're giving $20 off any oil change. Bring it to us. We'll check out all your systems, your wiper blades, your tires, your shocks, all your fluids, and we'll do that with a digital inspection, which we will email to you so that you can see exactly what's going on with your vehicle before you take the great American summer road trip. Give us a call, 410-987-5546. We'll set you up an appointment and we'll get you safe and ready to travel on that great American summer road trip. Thank you very much, and have a safe trip and have a safe holiday. God bless you and God bless America.